Good morning, everybody. We're on our way to the
San Antonio Zoo.
So this is our first time at the San Antonio Zoo. This is the entrance. It's very colorful and lively. They have music playing. Today is literally 100 degrees again, but that does not stop any fun in our homeschool. So here we go. So the first stop we're making is to the flamingos. They're kind of loud today, y'all. So here's their little market at the entrance. So if you're gonna buy your homeschoolers some souvenirs or a hat, because y'all know it's hot out here, this would be the place you would go to get it. I'm over here thinking about buying a shirt because I wore the long dress and some shorts, and I'm already irritated with the with the dress decision. So I'm thinking about grabbing a shirt. So if I see a cute one that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. But it looks like everything in here, oh, that's cool. This is my first visit of photo frame, so we might end up getting that at the end of the day, because look, I'm not about to carry that all day long. But it looks like this is mainly kids items in the store, so I'm probably gonna have to go somewhere else to get a shirt for myself. Okay, here goes some adult shirts here. $24, and it just says San Antonio Zoo. And then they have some tank tops. Let me see how much the tank tops are. The tank tops are $15. I might go ahead and cop me a tank top right quick. I ain't even gonna hold ya. So the shirt that I got says Night Out at the Zoo. Isn't that pretty? What exhibit is this one, Ava?
I think it's supposed to be for the monkeys.
For monkeys. Okay, let's see if we can find a monkey.
Yeah, you can
Look,
follow
it's a little dinosaur exhibit, you guys. So that's cool. That's like an actual little thing they're doing right now at the San Antonio Zoo. I forgot what it's called. A dino encounter. Okay, thank you, babe. It's called Dino Encounter. So it should be a lot more dinosaurs throughout the zoo. So if your kids love dinosaurs, then they're gonna be excited about it. A black bear. Look, y'all getting a close-up shot. And y'all didn't even have to pay to come here. By the way, if you guys are gonna come here, go to Groupon's. We got 4 tickets for about $44. So definitely utilize that Groupon. Look at that bear giving himself a little bath. Right next, we get to see the Komodo dragon. Where
Right
is
there.
it? I do see it. Look at this, guys. Wow, that's impressive. I don't know if I've ever seen one of these.
Whoa, those pythons are huge.
Oh my God, look at this python, and then there's one right here
That
in the
one looks
water.
like a heart.
Ooh, this is a nice little close-up shot. Look at that eye. Wow.
Mom, that little thing looks like a heart.
It does. The design on this one, she's saying, looks like a heart. Y'all, they have a little aquarium section.
They're shrimps and anemones.
Tiny little crabs.
Look, a little shrimp. They're called moon jelly.
Then we got to see some monkeys, which was really nice.
Like,
They have several cooling stations here at the San Antonio Zoo. They come with seating, AC, and also free water. So we've been to a few different zoos and I've never seen this before. So this is definitely a really good touch. Next, we had an opportunity to see some of the bats. I don't know why, but this kind of freaked me out. So my homeschooler, Ava, she is completely in charge of the map here at the zoo. She's leading us to every exhibit. And so this is really, really fun for kids who want to learn how to read a map or to practice reading a map. This is really, really fun. So every time we go someplace, she like circles everywhere we've been to, and she's like been really organized, keeping track of everything. Next up was the hippos, and if you guys do not know, you guys can dine with the hippos here. This is what we're gonna have for our little lunch. This was about $20. Next up was the giraffe, which is my daughter's favorite animal, so she loved this exhibit. Oh, it's doing it. You're like a natural bird lady. And then they had a kangaroo exhibit, which you could pay for to get closer to them. And they even had a butterfly exhibit
also, this is something that you pay for to go inside of like a butterfly. I don't know exactly what you call it. I'm going to call it a butterfly house. And in this exhibit, they are flying all over. There is hundreds of butterflies in here. It was super beautiful, super worth it. I want to say it might have been $3 for it, so not very expensive, but definitely worth the experience.
Handle up and down until water start coming out. Let's see if it's like the olden days.